Hello friends, welcome back to EVS with another important and informative video. So in this video we're going to cover the complete information of electric current. So what is electric current and what are the cause of flow of electric current? We are going to see in a very detailed manner in this video. So please I will request you that you should watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very informative for you guys. Okay. Electric current is a very basic concept or very important as well, because in electrical circuit, everywhere in the electrical circuit, without the current the circuit will be called as a dead circuit. So that's why the current is very important whenever you are talking about the electrical circuit or the electrical system. Okay, because without the electric current the circuit will be dead. Okay, so here you can see in the image that here the electrons are moving in a continuous way inside the material. So these flow of electron or the charge carriers in the conductor or in the material is nothing but it is the current. That means ultimately the flow of charge carrier or the flow of electron in a medium, that will be called as a electric current. So that will produce the flow of electricity in the circuit or in the system. So whenever the charges or the electron flows in a medium, then that will produce the electric current or electricity in the system. So these moving charges generate the current. And here you can see in the image that every electron is passing through the cross sectional area of the conductor. So this is also another definition of electric current, when the rate of change of electron is nothing but that will be called as the electric current. That means the electrons or the charge carriers flowing through a cross sectional area of the conductor, that rate or at which the electrons flows in that conductor, that will be called as a cross sectional conductor. So this is nothing but the rate of change of electrons or the rate of change of charges will be called as the electric current. Okay, so it's all about the basic concept of electric current. So now let's talk about what are the symbols and units of the electric current. So generally the symbols or denotation of the electric current is looks like this, and this is the denotation, that is I, and the symbol for the electric current is this. So this is all about the symbols and the denotation of electric current, and here you can see the units of the electric current, that will be amperes. Okay, so amperes, or sometime we are denoting it as a amps. Okay, shortly we are denoting it as a amps. Okay, so it's all about the symbols and the denotation of electric current. So denotation of electric current is generally I. This you have to remember. Okay, so it's all about the electric current. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.